Get the fuck out of here. I want nothing to talk to you, propagandist scumbag. You are a propagandist scumbag. You're a propagandist scumbag. Get out of here. How do you sleep at night, bud? You sleep really good night or what? Don't worry, we're gonna come defund you next. Fucking CBC. Hey, let's stand up for the Padre. Everybody should take a knee for the Padre. Come on, please. We'll do a little prayer. Come on up, brother. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen. Amen.
Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord look upon you with favor and give you peace. Amen.
Amen. Amen.
Freedom.
Our home and native land, true patriot love, in all our sons command, with glowing hearts we see thee rise, the true north strong and free, from far and wide old Canada, we stand on guard for thee. God keep our land glorious and free. Oh, Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Oh, Canada, we stand on guard for thee.
Sit, rep. Government.
The fence down. They died for this country. The veterans took the fence down. The veterans took the fence down.
Everybody on your knees.
On your knees. On your knees. Everybody on your knees.
Join us.
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 On your knees, everybody.
Join us. Don't give up.
Don't give up. Anyways, they left. They're gone. Good job, guys.
Good job, everybody.
Good job.